this is very much a Pearson thing. Just take the same question that, someone just did. Let's say the same question. The investigation, okay, I'm writing it down. The investigation aims to find the stand of the problem. Okay, let's say this is the question. Now, what you have to learn here is that when you repeat something, you are not supposed to memorize it. You have to understand the meaning of this sentence when they speak it. Okay, the investigation aims, meaning there is an investigation that is happening. What is the aim? What is the goal of that investigation? To find, what find? The stand of the problem, the root cause of the problem. Why has the problem occurred? When you understand the meaning of a sentence, it becomes very easy for you to repeat it. Hence, Pearson says, understand the meaning of the sentence. Don't memorize it. It is not a memory test. Repeat sentence is not a memory test. For example, let's say I give you a very easy sentence like, I am going to the park with kids. Okay, this is a very easy sentence. Everybody will admit that. I'm going to the park with kids. Now, if I play this same sentence in Japanese language, that means you're only listening to Japanese, and let's assume nobody knows Japanese here, by the way. So I play Japanese audio and the Japanese audio says the same thing. I am going to the park with kids. The same level of sentence, but when played in Japanese language, because you have no idea of that language, you will not be able to repeat a word. You might be able to repeat, let's say, the last word because you just remember the sound of that word, but that's it. What about the other words? But when I play the same sentence in English, you are able to repeat it, not because you memorized it, because you understood the language, you understood the meaning of the sentence. And that is why you couldn't repeat the Japanese sentence, because you only heard it, but you couldn't understand the language, you couldn't understand the meaning. When you only listen, it's difficult to repeat. When you listen and understand the meaning, it becomes easier to repeat. Which is why in repeat sentence, always remind yourself, my job is not only to listen to the sentence, but my job